your first alert weather with meteorologist Abigail Degler.
So if you don't have plans for your Sunday yet, you better make some plans to get outside because it's going to be a beautiful day again.
Yeah, have a picnic in the park. Maybe go
nice.
throw around a Frisbee. It's going to be breezy again today, so that kite, always an opportunity to go fly that today. As we look outside, current conditions, absolutely gorgeous. That sun has made its debut. It's officially Sunday now. Your day has started now that the sun is up. 6:16, and we're seeing a little bit of cloud coverage still lingering overhead. That'll be present throughout the day, but we're not really seeing any issues with that. We're holding off from rain for a little while yet, so we're not going to be talking about any dampering of your plans for today. So make those outdoor plans. Just dress accordingly, stay hydrated, and some sunscreen. Not a bad idea. 60 in Huntsville, 59 in Fort Payne, as well as the Shoals, 63 in Fayetteville, as well as Coleman, and our warm spot, 64 in Scottsboro. Now, we are seeing some mild winds out there. We are tracking sustained winds at about 5 miles per hour, spanning from Decatur to Meridianville to Scottsboro, and 6 down to our southern counties. And no issues with fog this morning. That's great news, but we will see these winds have a little bit of an uptick here in the next couple of hours. Sustained winds still in the single digits throughout the 7 o'clock hour, but moving into the 9 o'clock and 10 o'clock hours, we're going to see gusts upwards of 20 miles per hour that'll hold pretty consistent throughout the 1 o'clock hour and eventually die down. But these are really helping to boost our temperatures from the 60s early this Sunday morning into the 80s for your afternoon. So warm winds, breezy warm winds paired with sunshine. We are dealing with a more summer-like than spring-like afternoon. Once again, very similar to yesterday. So compare what it's going to be like today to yesterday. If you were a little hot, maybe dress in some cooler clothes. If you got a little dehydrated, make sure to load up on that water. If you got sunburnt, well, you can guess what I'm going to say. Break out that sunscreen. It will probably be needed today. Into the evening tonight, we're going to maintain that heat, even though we're seeing mostly clear skies, 70 degrees by the 10 o'clock hour. So evening plans are green light. Go ahead and make some. It is going to be gorgeous. Into the 60s for those overnight temperatures, maybe a few of us dipping down into the 50s. That'll mostly be to our northern outliers. But going into your Monday, here's what we can expect. These are the changes that will be pushing in. Still seeing the 80s by the afternoon hour, but we are tracking rain pushing through, and that will continue as we go into your Tuesday as well. So a heads up there, we will be talking about rain chances to start off your work week. Leave that umbrella by the door. You will need it waking up tomorrow if you are going to be out and about for the evening hours. So roughly the 3 o'clock hour on, we're noticing those showers moving in. Once again, spilling over into your Tuesday, dropping us down into the 70s. We'll see the 70s throughout the majority of next week.